Hey, you guys. Yeah, we are at Isabella Hunt Memorial Public Library. This is in Pine, Arizona. It's their public library. Our cell phones, we're getting horrible service up here, so I'm trying to upload the video you saw last week about our final step. Wouldn't do it. But here we are. We're uploading right now to get the video you saw last week, so you can see it today. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for...
Hey guys, yeah, so we are 23 miles northwest of Flagstaff, just in the foothills, the base of Mount Humphreys. Beautiful. You probably saw Humphreys when we drove in. The snow on it, still got some snow on it. But yeah, we're on a walk here. When we get back, I'll show you the site. But we've been discovering different things. Like somebody made a fort out here. Probably some kids, I don't know. Or maybe they were hunting from here. So yeah, just kind of some different stuff. There's something I want to show you over by the campsite too. And when we were at Strawberry, I just go out and hike in the woods, no trail, and I found this shelter, this makeshift shelter. It was kind of a lean-to. They stacked like rocks, almost like igloo-like, and then they covered it with pine branches. And I didn't even really notice it until I stumbled right on it. I'm glad nobody was in it. So here's our morning walk. Look at these aspen trees. There's Hot Baked Italian, Lisa. And we're coming down a different forest road. There's a prowler and the bear. You probably can't see with a GoPro, but zoom in. It's right straight through there. We came from that direction, headed this way. I wanted to show you these beautiful aspens. Look at this. People have carved their names in these, and these aspen trees, it kind of scabs over for it so it sticks out. Look at this. 1965? Is there 66? Luis Lopez Leon España. 1965. Wow. A bunch of these trees like that. And this one. Can't really read that. 72. Wow. I learn something every day. Okay, we did a loop around this forest road here, and it kind of curved around in that forest road over there. That's probably, I don't know, 300-400 yards where we peeked through, and because maybe you could see the prowler and the pickup. I'll set up here. Got the generator plugged in. Solar panel had us juiced up right away before 7 o'clock this morning from what we used last night. That's just so cool. I think I already told you guys that we don't have cell service. We didn't have cell services in Strawberry either. We were 6 days up there, and what we did was we went in to Strawberry every 2 days to see if we had any calls, texts, messages, and also to upload those videos because we use our hotspots, and we don't have any cell service out here either. So we're going to go into Flagstaff tomorrow. We got here yesterday. We're going to go to Flagstaff tomorrow, and I'm going to edit this video today and get this video uploaded, Lord willing, tomorrow. So and also one thing we've been doing, we've been able to. When we were in Phoenix, even remember we got the tanks to last 7 days. The gray water always goes first because you use that the most. So we've been limiting showers. We've been showering every 2 days. Just the day we go into town. So
and lots of baby wipes in between. So yeah.
Yes. What do you think about the?
It's just an adjustment, but you're out here where the weather's cool. You're not getting sweaty like I was in Phoenix in the heat, so you don't need it as much. And like I said, just at night we wipe up with the baby wipe the night from that day in between shower, and so far so good.
Yeah, and I even we got an outdoor shower on this, and it was private enough, in Strawberry, where I was able to, and because I wasn't using the gray tank, we had plenty of fresh water, so it's just the gray tank that fills up that makes us have to leave and go dump. So I took an outdoor shower, and that was wonderful.
And to help conserve with the gray tank too, I'll do wash dishes in a tub in the sink, and then we'll take the water and the rinse water and go ahead and dump it outside, and I make sure my soap is biodegradable. That's not going to hurt the environment or anything, but that just kind of helps the gray tank too.
Yeah, so we're getting it worked out here. We're getting it worked out. We plan on being here 5-6 days too. We kind of want to plug in somewhere just to get a little longer shower and yeah, we'll be plugging in and looking for interesting stuff too. Yeah. So anyway, we're going to end this video here, and tomorrow when we go into Flag, we're going to look for some quirky stuff for the next week video, some different interesting stuff, and we'll kind of show you Flagstaff. So we appreciate every single one of you. Love you. God bless you. If you need something from Amazon, really appreciate it if you could use my Amazon associate link in the description. It doesn't cost you a penny more, and it gives us a couple pennies, literally like a couple pennies if you buy something. But it adds up and it helps. So we'll see you guys next Saturday. God bless.
Bye.